So let's say you're an absolute whiz on Xero, you're doing all your own bookkeeping and you're 100% confident in what you're doing. Will you still need an accountant? There is no legal requirement for you to have an accountant. However, I strongly recommend that you do. Not only would a good accountant help you save on taxes, but they will also give you peace of mind knowing that your accounts, your corporation tax and your self-assessment are done accurately. Also, as a small business owner, there's no functionality available for you within Xero to file your statements and your corporation tax and your director self-assessment with Companies House and HMRC. That functionality is only available on the partner plan, which is only accessible to bookkeepers and accountants. Therefore, if you do not have an accountant who is on that partner plan, you will have to file your things outside of Xero. Xero will not do it for you. Therefore, the short answer is yes. My advice would be that even if you're 100% confident on Xero and you're an absolute whiz at it, you will still want an accountant.